All right, so for some of you guys that know me personally, Woody's back here, right there. Used to be my spot, man, but the place closed. Sucks, because it was a really cool place to come and have a drink, eat some food and things like that. But anyways, I wanted to show you the Sissy bar from Havoc. Just gonna give you a quick look. I put it on, I think it was yesterday or the day before, something like that. It was not my primary choice. I don't want to say I settled because it was about 260 bucks. Even though I got a discount from JP Cycle for military, we definitely appreciate that. You know, it looks pretty good. I think that makes the bike look cool. You guys let me know what you think. So here's the bike. It's dirty. I'm gonna watch it. We're going out this weekend. We're gonna do good riding, but as of right now, it looks super dirty. Got the bar from Dominator Industry. So far, I like him. They are really fantastic. They work pretty well. Sometimes my wrist hurts a little bit. I don't know if it's because it's too straight here. If you don't know, when you get bars this side right here, depends how it shapes. It gives you a different placement on your ribs. So keep that in mind. Maybe I got to get used to it. Maybe not. I don't know. But again, so far I do like him. And here's the Sissy bar right there. Like I said, from Havoc. I'll put the name right here on the screen for you guys to check it out. I think it's called Havoc or something like that. And again, it looks good. It looks good. It's about 16 inches from the bottom to the top, or from here. I'm not really sure from here to here where it is, but it's about 16 inches according to the specs. And this is kind of how it looks. I'm gonna give you a quick look. I mean, it does the job. It looks great. I don't know if it's comfortable enough because I haven't ride with somebody in the background, but at a bare minimum, it's gonna give you an idea if you're planning to buy this one, right? There's not too many videos here online about this Sissy bar, so hopefully I give you guys an idea. I know you guys work really hard, so you don't want to waste your money, right? Here's a look from this side, just so you could see how the motorcycle look, and giving you a look from this side right here, exactly how it looks. I do got to clean it up. I haven't, wipe it or anything. I just put it on. I mean, the chrome is really good. It just got to be clean, right? Another look from this side. Obviously, you got to have the attachments that you need, and Havoc also provides that if you don't have it, but definitely you got to have the attachment. It connects to the spring right here and to the second one back here, right? So if you want to put a luggage rack, the luggage rack will connect here and here, and that probably gonna give it a different look. You got the Sissy bar with a little luggage rack, so that probably gives it a total different look. So again, a good look here. The thing that I will tell you, and I noticed this, they have it on black and they have it on chrome, and I noticed this right here, the welding. I don't know if that's the welding, I don't know what that is, but it kind of not really well finished right there. The finish is not that good, and I saw the same thing on the black one. So obviously the way they connect these two bars right there doesn't look super clean to me, but it is what it is. Also, if you notice my saddle right here, it doesn't match this. So is that something that you want to do, you're looking forward to do? Obviously you're gonna have to spend some money to figure out how to match your saddle to the backrest. I'm assuming this comes out. You see a couple screws there and there. So again, this thing may come out and you may be able to replace with something that looks like your saddle, but again, it would be nice if they provide that, right? Overall, I think it's good. I just wish that there would be a choice. Maybe there is, maybe there's not. I don't know. I went into the website and I couldn't see it, but maybe there's a choice that you could order this a little bit higher if you want to. Some guys like 22 inches versus 16. I mean, the size, a preference kind of thing that every person will have to choose. And also, I would like to know if you could buy with the right stitching, right? And like saddles like this, like Saddleman and things like that, they are very, very popular. A lot of people having, so having something that has kind of like the diamond stitch and it's already stitched up and all that will be kind of cool. Again, maybe they have to build in custom or something and you have to wait, but it will be kind of cool to just be able to buy, the right way from the beginning. Again, this was not my first choice. There was another one that I really, really enjoyed because it was 1.5. I believe this bar's gotta be 1.25 inches because this one right here are 1.5 inches. So again, you have two different sizes there. Is it a big deal? Is it something that is very, very noticeable? I don't think so. I bought it, I put it in my bike to think it was gonna look weird or something like that. I don't think it looks weird at all. But then again, just keep in mind that this appears to be 1.25 inches. I tried to look online, I couldn't see nothing that said that, right? But like I said, it was not my first choice, but the other one that I wanted was crazy expensive. I mean, the Sissy bar was like 600 bucks or something like that. With the trunk rack, it was gonna be over $1,000. And at that point, I was like, no way, dude. I ain't against spending over $1,000 for a sissy bar. If you're gonna spend that much money, I just buy a trunk, right? Buy a king size trunk that matches my bike. I could put it on, I could take it off, and do all that, right? If money is not an issue to you, man, maybe you do it. But it was very, very hard to justify that much money when you could just buy a trunk. And no CC bar is gonna do what a trunk can do. Trust me, I got a 2022 Road Glide Limited, and I love my trunk. I may be an old man, but here's the CC bar from Hot Works. So far, I like it. I think it's pretty cool. I think it's gonna do the job. Makes the bike look really, really cool. Let me know what you think. And as always, God is in control.